Welcome to Photoshop tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to easily fix photo color in Photoshop with neural filter. At the beginning, go to the menu bar. Click on the filter. Then click on neural filter. Go to the colorize from here. Click the colorize button to enable it. Wait a few seconds. Now see, our photo is color fixed. You can see this is the before and this is the after. Click the OK button. In the same way, we will color fix all the other photos. Thanks for watching the video.